Howdy, Daniel Hall here, and I wanted to quickly step you through how to use the back cover copy generator that's available at this page here. By the way, I'll leave the link to where you can get this right now or right below the video you are now watching, or somewhere around where you're watching this video. You'll see the link to get here. But once you go ahead and invest in it and come back, you're going to get this document right here. And as you can see, the back cover copy generator is available for ChatGPT, and this is ChatGPT 4 and above, and Claude AI. And what you're going to do, and by the way, once you click on one of these, is you're going to get the back copy cover generator and prompt, which is it starts right down here. And then you're going to come over to ChatGPT and paste that prompt in. And so let's just see how quickly we can come up with great copy for the back cover of our book. So the first thing is it wants to know what is the title of your book. So you're just going to paste in the prompt and it's going to start asking you these questions. And your job is to simply reply to the questions, right? So in my case, I'm going to write about my book called Real Fast Writing. By the way, this works great for fiction or nonfiction. All right, so we're going to just put in there real fast writing, and it's going to ask the next question, which is, what is the genre of your book? And for me, it is a nonfiction how-to, like that. And then it goes on to the next question, which is, what is the theme or central message of the book? Overcoming adversity through courage. Excellent. Please provide the theme or message of your book. For me, it is how to write faster and at a higher quality. That's the major theme of my book, the major message of my book. And then it recognizes, it says, since your book is nonfiction, please describe, instead of the main characters here, it says, please describe the main audience or key personas who would benefit most from your book. And it starts giving you these great example responses. For example, aspiring writers, professional authors, content creators looking to improve their writing speed and quality. That's pretty doggone close. And if that speaks to your core demographic, you could simply just copy this and paste it in, and if need be, add, subtract, or whatever to make it yours. I just wanted to include this because it's a lot easier, right? It's a lot easier to go on to the next question if the generator is actually helping you with it, which it is here in this case. So for me, I'm going to add a couple other things in here like bloggers, copywriters, and script writers. There we go. And then it's going to go on to the next question, and it's going to ask for a plot summary. So once again, this is a nonfiction. Please provide a brief summary of your key points or contents covered in your book. The book covers strategies from becoming writer's block, techniques for rapid brainstorming, and methods for refining the writing quality in a short amount of time. So again, this example response is pretty doggone close. I'm just going to use it the way it is and put that in here, just like that. And it's going to ask what your unique selling point, what makes your book unique or different from others in the same genre, and integrates authentic historical details with high fantasy elements, which is where it obviously does not work for our particular case, but we can certainly put in things like this book covers 20 plus immediately usable strategies and methods for writing at a higher quality, with many of the methods being counterintuitive. Let's see if I can spell that right. Yep, while being easy to implement. Okay, let's give it a go. So that is our last question here, and it'll start bringing to us our very first iteration for our back cover, which is, I really like this because, we don't have a lot of room on your back cover, and it does in fact give you a really good, very concise paragraph or paragraph plus, as it does right here. Unlock the secrets of writing faster and better with real fast writing. This essential guide is perfect for aspiring writers, professional authors, bloggers, copywriters, scriptwriters, and content creators who want to elevate their writing game. Discover the strategies to overcome your writer's block, rapid brainstorming techniques, and methods to refine your writing quality in no time. What sets Real Fast Writing apart? It offers over 20 immediately usable strategies and methods that are easy to implement, yet surprisingly counterintuitive. Dive into this comprehensive to transform your writing process today. Again, very tight, very solid, good copy. However, one of the things that you can do here is if we come back over to our prompt, our generator, there's a power tip here to use this question to revise. So in other words, when you have your output, you can actually add this in and actually start tightening it up. So it gives you additional tips to include. Now you can just ask revise using the above tips. So then it just incorporates everything it just analyzed and put in here. And now you've got a much more cogent and put together back cover copy, right? So here's the really cool thing is that this is kind of long now, right? So I would just rewrite and make it much more concise. And it'll distill it down into a much shorter, there you go. So want to write faster and better? Reveals 20 counterintuitive, easy to implement strategies to boost your writing speed and quality instantly. Ideal for aspiring authors, bloggers, copywriters, scriptwriters, and content creators. This guide helps you overcome writer's block, brainstorm quickly, and refine your work efficiently. And then here it adds you might want to take that out again, but you can go through, and your job obviously is to refine what you've got here. And maybe this one works for you, right? Or works better than this one, but feel free to use ChatGPT or Claude. By the way, this works exactly the same with Claude to refine and revise. Okay. So once again, this is available right over here at the at this link. So at this page, so you'll see a link below or somewhere around where you're watching this video to go grab it right now.